Kids, this is Merry Merry Garden, which will be open for the aliens around the universe very soon. But before they get here, you kids can enjoy it. I have taken the necessary permission from the space police too.
A garden where there's no one else. We can play here freely. Yay!
We are going to really enjoy this picnic, Sky Dragon.
Well, after I have finished my work, I will... Oh, these little kids. Oh, yes. Take good care of Jaggu. He's just recovered from illness.
All right, Sky Dragon.
Come on, Kalia. You're always hungry. What's the hurry?
We are on a picnic, so snacking is a must, you know. When are we going to open this ice cream box, Chutki?
When Jaggu says he wants to eat. Wow! I have never seen a swing like this before.
Now it is my turn to swing. Oh, come on, Kalia. Let Jaggu have a try. You can have the next turn. Only because Jaggu is sick, he's getting all the attention. I am going to try that. I can do this. I am very tired. I should get down. It's better you get off.
What happened, Jaggu?
I wish this place had a merry-go-round.
Your wish is my command. I'll get you a merry-go-round.
Wow, Bheem! This is really amazing.
Just because that Jaggu is sick, everyone is entertaining him. But he's all better now. I think I'll have to do something to attract their attention. Huh?
You missed that important spot, boss.
Oh, thank you. I'll just do it. What are you two doing here?
We have come to see what you are doing here.
My super brain has come up with a brilliant idea, my friends. I will use these green markings all over my body and pretend to be sick. Then everyone will be at my service. I'll enjoy all the attention like Jaggu. And you two keep your mouth shut, all right? Huh?
Hey, what's the matter with Kalia?
What happened, Kalia?
How do you have green marks all over your body? Boss is really very sick.
Really very sick.
He looks really very sick indeed. I think he needs some rest.
How are you feeling now, Kalia?
I am actually feeling very hot. I can definitely help you with it, Kalia. That's wonderful. It feels like heaven.
Thank goodness, at least one thing is sorted. Beam, if we attend one by one to all the problems Kalia is facing, he will recover faster. Kalia, tell us, what else is bothering you?
My plan is working brilliantly. My mouth is burning. Can I eat some ice cream, please? That was such a relief, friends. But this peace and quiet is bursting my ears. Can you organize some dance and music, please?
I have heard of ears bursting from loud sounds, but silence can burst ears too.
That's enough. Now my ears are all right. But my body feels a little stiff. Maybe if I swing a little, I will feel okay. Aye! If you'll swing so slowly, I won't get any better. Swing faster! Faster!
Kalia, are you alright?
Aye! My stomach is aching. Maybe those berries can help me feel better.
Watch out, Bheem!
Jaggu, how come you have got green marks all over your face just like Kalia?
I hope you haven't caught Kalia's disease.
It's impossible to catch Kalia's sickness because Kalia is not sick at all.
That means he was fooling us all the time, huh?
So looks like it's high time we give Kalia some bitter medicine. That's when he'll feel better.
Where are those berries? I am very hungry.
Kalia, I have understood what has happened to you, my friend. Sky Dragon had mentioned about a sickness like this to me earlier. It's a very dangerous sickness, and you know what? It is contagious.
What? What kind of sickness is this?
It is called Hakka Mukka sickness. First you get green marks all over your body. Then the person moves forward with very heavy legs. And then at last, that person turns into a ghost. Oh no! Raju and Jaggu have also got that sickness. This is really very bad.
Boss, are you sick for real?
No, I am not sick at all. But Raju and Jaggu really look very sick. Let's keep a safe distance from them. Otherwise, very soon we will be sick too. Boss, these two are actually shaking the whole ground with their heavy legs. Kalia, now all of us are going to turn into ghosts. Dholu Bholu will also be like us soon. Then we all can have a ghost party out here. No! I don't want to be a ghost.
You all are sick. And boss and us are not sick at all.
Boss was only pretending to be sick so that
all of you give me attention and care.
But all of you stay away from us. Stay away.
Yeah, don't make us sick, please. So now you will have to help us in getting better, okay?
Exactly the way we all helped you get better.
We are ready to do anything you say.
Kalia, my stomach is aching. Go and get those berries for me quickly.
In a moment. Super Bee! Sky Dragon, why have we come on this planet again? Tell us. I don't want Naru Babu to feed us some more bitter medicines.
Relax, Kalia. Remember last time, Naru Babu helped all of us in finding that rare herb? But today he's in need of help. That's why we have come here.
What kind of help, Sky Dragon?
Only he can answer that question.
These mangoes are really delicious. Does anyone want?
We have seen bigger and better mangoes on our planet.
It's okay. If you don't want it, don't have. Who cares?
How are you, my children? I welcome you all to Shark Planet again.
How are you, Naru Babu?
Fine, thank you. But tell me, who are you?
Oh no, I think Naru Babu has forgotten us again. It's me, Sky Dragon. You called us to help you?
Oh yes. I want one pav bhaji, 2 masala dosas, and 1 sweet lime juice, please.
Oh, Naru Babu. We have not come here to take your food orders.
So sorry, dear. You're the laundry guys. You're here to collect dirty clothes, right? So why did I even call you here? I remember now. Friends, meet him. This is my grandson, Babu Babu.
Oh, he is so sweet.
I have to go to some planet for an important lecture.
Do you want us to babysit and look after Babu Babu in your absence?
Yes. Nobody wants to come back to take care of him again.
Who would want to come back after getting hassled by you?
Oh, who wouldn't want to play with this cute little kid? Don't worry, we'll take care of him.
Thank you, friends. I will come back soon by evening. This smoke is absolutely useless. I will have to go walking, I think.
We are going to have lots of fun.
So, Babu Babu,
Are you ready?
The rest of his toys might be inside. Come on, let's go get them.
Huh?
This game is too much hard work.
This is for you.
These look really very interesting.
Yes, and delicious too.
Eat it nicely.
What is this? Suddenly my stomach has started aching very badly.
Even my stomach is aching. Jagu, what's happening? We're looking like mango trees.
Raju, why are they looking at us with Such weird and strange looks. Kalia, you did not like the mangoes from this planet? Then why are you chasing me?
I will go after them. You take care of Babu Babu.
Babu, what is going on here?
I don't know.
You are definitely hiding something from us. Come on, tell me the truth.
Babu,
What's the
Babu?
matter?
Very good boy. Tell Uncle Dragon what's going on here.
They ate the fruits and turned into trees.
Babu, such jokes are not nice. You're a good kid, aren't you? Come on, tell me. How can we bring them back to normal?
Sure, I can tell you. But what will I get in return for that?
What do you want? You tell me.
It was fun, so much fun. Please, one more time. Chutki Didi, Super Beam Bhaiya, can you dance for me?
What?
Yes, dance. Now.
All right. Now I understand why nobody wants to come back and take care of this kid.
You see, Babu, we did exactly as you wanted. Now tell us quickly, how can we fix it?
No. Now you have to sing a song.
Okay, now that's enough. If you don't tell us the cure, I'm going to snatch your teddy bear from you.
No, it's my daddy.
Wait, Chutki. This Babu Babu is very small. We must make him understand with love and not anger. See? Just like you love your favorite teddy and don't want anything bad to happen to him, similarly, we don't want anything bad to happen to our friends too.
Okay, I will tell you. Give them that blue medicine from Grandpa's cupboard, then they will become like before.
I found the blue medicine.
But they are running all over the place. How can we give them the blue medicine?
There is one way. Excuse me, I need some mangoes.
Mango!
I have got something much better than your mangoes. Mango juice.
What's this? Why such a bitter taste in my mouth? Is it necessary to have such horrible medicines on this planet?
Now it's Jaggu and Raju's turn.
They are so scared that they are just refusing to stop.
Let me handle them. The whole medicine will go waste like this.
Beam Laddu!
One last time.
Jaggu, look, you've become alright.
Raju, you look all right too.
Oh.
Babu, it's not good to play such pranks. People can really get into trouble.
Oh, not there! I am here. How is my baby grandson? I hope he didn't trouble you guys much.
Absolutely not. Babu is really a very sweet kid.
What?
For the first time, his babysitters haven't complained about his mischiefs. Now on, whenever I need to leave him alone, I will definitely call you all.
No!